Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, hello. We're trying to. Wow, my voice is very different right now. Anyways, I haven't spoken all day. I've been coding, and then first thing when I open my mouth, I can't recognize my own voice. Anyways, this is good practice. Hope you're having a good day, evening, afternoon, depending where you are. Depending on your longitudinal distance from the Greenwich area in London. I hope you're having a good time. Today, we're going to be answering a question called how can we use regular expressions to change all vowels in a string to a vowel of our choice. So let's say we have a string. I put a quote from Gollum, my favorite superhero character. Precious, precious, precious. He's crying about his ring, of course, from the Lord of the Rings. And I want to be able to change the vowels out with whatever I want. So vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. As far as I know, there's only 6. If there's a new one added, please let me know. Not aware of any new vowels coming into the language. So let's say that we take Gollum's quote and we want to do Avatar slang. Avatar slang is only using vowels of A. There's no E's, I's, O's, or U's. And pirate slang would be, R, E type, I don't know. I just made it up. Replacing every vowel with E. And then Smurf slang would be O, and then, and so on. So how could we kind of plan for this? So, I just want to create a function that takes in a string, and I also want to take in another parameter for what kind of slang, for what letter, what vowel, to replace all our vowels. Then I want to go through the string and replace all vowels with our parameter. Then return a new string with the final result. So that's that. What methods are we going to use? And I think that's kind of why this video is nice for those people who might be new to the string.replace method, or those who are new to regular expressions, which I am also new to regular expressions. So this is my way of practicing and instilling what it can do, what it means, and so on. So string.replace should take a regular expression, and that's what that means is it's basically a rule on which it's like a selection rule type thing. That'll be good enough for this video. We'll expand on that hopefully on the next video. And then it will also take what did it take? I forgot. So we're replacing regular expression and obviously what we want to the replacement. So and then the regular expression is we're going to write rules, and it's generally written between brackets. It's like its own type thing, like objects are a thing. Regular expression rules are just always written like this, and from what I can tell, my development environment automatically knows when I do this that I'm about to write a regular expression, and it just kind of takes on its own color and it just works. So let's get to it. So we're not returning anything. We've created a text transposer function that takes a string and a vowel replacement, or we could say slang, and then is returning nothing yet. And here's where I'm console logging it, and here's where we can see nothing yet. So if we just return the string, we're getting a quote, perfect, from up here. And let's get going. So let's return string.replace. Actually, should we create a regular expression? We'll just write it here first. Okay. We've created a regular expression and then replace it with replace. It's not really working for me. Okay. How do we do this? Replace. Let's write our regular expression for a sec. Cos regular expression, and let's catch all the A's globally. See if that works. Replace regular expression, vowel replacement, which is A down here, if you could see. Boom. Did we replace all the A's With A's, probably we did. We wouldn't be able to tell. So how about we replace all the E's with A's? Let's see if this E, when I save it, turns into an A. It does, okay. But we want to replace everything, right? So we're replacing all the E's because it's global. If this wasn't here, we were going to replace only the first one. So global, boom. And then let's add an or sign. So this is kind of what I'm trying to instill in my head. That I can use or signs within regular expressions to catch multiple symbols or letters, I guess. So A, I'm going to start over. There's A, E, I, O, and U. And we've captured every vowel in the English language. How complex, right? So what if we do that? Boom. Now we're placing everything like that. So if I were to save these as avatar equals A, pirate equals E, and Smurf equals O, I should be able to plug in different things to my function here. So I could say Smurf, and now we can read it in Smurf language. You know, I just made that up. But at least we have the confidence that in our coding, we can sort of mess around with text files. So that's pretty awesome. Now, what if we want to replace, there's not that many capital letters here, but let's say we had, on the first precious, we had a bunch of capitals. How do we also catch the capitals? Well, we could add those in. A, or O, or U, or I. So this means select all of these, and then the replace method is completing the functionality of the regular expression with allowing us to replace it with something. So that's what we're doing. So if I save it, boom. So the E's we're not doing, I guess. Let's see. Yep, we forgot the E. So E, I messed something up. Or E, right? Boom, we're back. So right now it doesn't matter what's capital and what's not. And then we can also switch back to avatar slang. Boom. And we can try out pirate slang as well. Pirate. Boom. Now you can read your favorite superheroes quotes in the way you wish, aka slang text transpose things the way you want. Alright, well, I think this video was not perfect for sure, but I do think it was a little bit better than the last one. And the next one hopefully will go in a little bit more in depth. Yeah, and that's about it. Hope you have a great day. Thumbs up or thumbs down. You know, there's a yin to every yang, so pick correctly, follow the white rabbit, and I don't know what I'm saying. This video should have been over already, so goodbye.